Good day, everyone. So this is the Module 1, Lesson 2, Operations and Strings. So string is a group of symbols from a specific set of letters or characters. Strings are like the brick we use to build languages. We do things with strings to understand and work with this sequence. So the example is concatenation. We already tackled it before in our previous lesson, which is the lesson 1. So concatenation. Concatenation is the process of joining two strings together to make a longer string. So for example, example 1, we have a B1 is equal to 1, 2, 3, and B2 is equal to 4, 5, 6. So kapag kinoncatenate mo sila, B1, B2 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pagsasamahin mo lang yung dalawa. Yan, pagpaplasin mo lang sila para makabuo ka ng longer strings. Example 2. A, B. A is equal to A, B, C, and C, D, A. So, pag pinagsama mo silang dalawa, so what's the answer? Of course, A, B, C, C, D, A. Kasi nga, pagpaplasin mo lang sila para makabuo ka ng longer strings. So, that's all for concatenation. The next is the length of string. The length of string is the count of how many symbols, like letters, numbers, or characters, are in the string. The length of a string is denoted by this symbol. Yan. For example, example 1. String S is equal to hello world. So anong length yan? Length. What is the length? We count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So the length is 13, including the space and the comma, of course, the exclamation point. Another example. Example 2. String 1, 2, 3. So anong length niyan? Length. We count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the length is 5. Okay? So that is the length of a string. The next is the reversal. Reversal. From the word reversal, babaliktarin mo lang, is the process of rearranging its characters in the opposite order. Essentially, the first character becomes the last, the second character becomes the second to the last, and so on. For example, example 1. S is equal to A, B, C, D. So, kapag dinonote mo na siya ng reversal, maglalagay ka ng R dyan. So, paano mo siya babaliktarin? Babaliktarin mo lang siya. D, C, B, A. Kung ano yung nasa huling string neto, magiging first. Then, kung ano yung nasa first string neto, magiging last. So, another example. Example 2. Hello. Is equal to O-L-E-H. So, that is the reversal. So, yung reversal string, babaliktarin mo lang kung ano yung original string. The next is the prefix and the suffix. Prefix. Prefix muna tayo. Prefix is a substring that starts from the beginning of the string, while the suffix is a substring that ends at the string's end. So, example, prefix and suffix. So, example 1. Meron tayong S is equal to apple. That is the prefix. Ang prefix niya ay kung ano ang nasa unahan. It can be up. So, example, suffix. It can be Paul. This is the prefix kung nasa unahan. Then this is the suffix kung ano yung nasa last. So, suffix is last. Prefix is start. Another example. Example 2. Triangle. So, ang prefix niya ay it could be tri. And the suffix is can be gal. So, that is the prefix and the suffix. Always remember that the suffix is the last and the prefix is starts. And lastly is the empty string. Empty string. Ang empty string is denoted by the E, which is the epsilon, is a string that contains no characters. The length of the empty string is 0. So, ang length na empty string ay length is equal to 0 kasi nga empty siya. So, 0 siya. So, kapag nag-concatenate ka ng isang word sa empty string, kunyari, concatenate. A and B. A is equal to hello. And B is empty string. So, AB is equal to hello. Kasi wala ka namang i-add dahil nga yung length nito ay 0, which is empty lang siya. Wala siyang laman. So, kapag nag-concatenate ka, kung ano lang yung may laman, yun lang yung i-add mo. So, hello plus 0 or plus empty is hello. So, ano ang length ng hello? The length is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, the length is 5. That is the length of hello. So, that's all for the Module 1 Lesson 2, Operations and Strings.